Hi guys, this is Hemi from Grow with Hemi team. I'm in Melbourne today. We are in our digital entrepreneurship program and we are running our 2 days business mastery in Melbourne. And I have got Tanya with me in here today, and Tanya is a health coach and Tanya attending this program. So Tanya, how are you?
Yeah, good, Hemi.
Okay, cool. So Tanya, tell us a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
Yeah, so I'm a health coach and I work with executives in corporate and small business owners to help them better their health and do it in a time-friendly way.
Awesome. So Tanya, tell us a little bit about your current challenges. What are the challenges you're facing in this entrepreneurship journey?
Sure. So at the moment, I still charge by the hour and by the client one-on-one. So I'm not leveraging my time or my services at all. I'm either overworking myself and I'm just not able to grow at the moment. So that's my main challenge.
Awesome. So how did you go in this 2 days business mastery workshop?
It has been amazing. Everything is it's very individualized, it's very personalized. There's no one cookie cutter method. And Hemi, you make such an effort to really understand what that person is about, what they want to do, where they're at, where they're going, and the best way for them to get there. So thank you.
Thank you, Tanya. So look guys, my mission is to create 1,000 digital entrepreneurs across the world by 2020. I'm running the same program in Australia and in Bangladesh as well. I'm coming to Bangladesh in next couple of weeks time. So my mission is to create the digital entrepreneur. I'm in here to support your journey and I'm in here to be part of you. I believe that Tanya and everyone who joining this program, they are my family. And I'm in here to support you. So I'm looking forward to more digital entrepreneurs across different countries around the world. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.